Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security, and now click on fingerprint, so it's under device security. And at first you have to select the backup that would be used if you are not around. It's instead your fingerprint, and it can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me choose the pattern. And now just draw the analog pattern that you would like to apply, then tap on next, and now you have to redraw it to confirm. So let me enter a letter again and tap on confirm. Now click on register to activate your fingerprint, and as you can see, in the center of your screen you've got the fingerprint sensor, so smoothly place the finger here and add all the edges. Tap on OK, and as you can see it has been added, so from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or you can also use this backup pattern. Just enter it, and as you can see you just access your phone. So this is it, that would be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.